The first thing you're going to do, you're going to rinse your vegetables. So they have them in the pan, so you're going to rinse your vegetables first. And turn your phone sideways so y'all can see. But all I do, I go to the store and I get a rotisserie chicken. This is what I get, a rotisserie chicken. And all I do to this chicken is I debone it. I'm going to pour everything off this rotisserie chicken to make this pot pie. All I want is some chicken. And y'all turn your phone sideways so y'all can see my whole video. So y'all can see what I'm doing. All I'm doing is tearing the chicken apart. We're going to do this whole chicken, get all the meat we can get. This is the longest part to making this. Is deboning it. So I pretty much got all the chicken I'm going to use. It's deboned. It's a little bit more meat on here, but I've got the majority of it all. So once you debone this chicken, I always come over here and rinse mine. Especially if this looks a little greasy. Because I want to put my own seasoning in it anyway. So you rinse it off some. And you can do canned chicken with this too now. You can use canned chicken. So y'all, I'm going to add one bottle. I don't like faucet water, not even to cook with for real. I use it every now and then, I do, but I really don't like it. And then I'm going to add my chicken back in here. I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. I'm going to add my cream of chicken. Then I'm going to stir this. Then, y'all, for my seasoning, I'm going to add a chicken bouillon cube. It's going to boil in there. You might need 2 of those. My chicken seasoning. Add a little bit of chicken seasoning. Now we're going to put it on the stove. So, y'all, while that's over there boiling, I buy the pie crust. Simple as this. This is how I do it. Flip it out the pan. This is going to go in the bottom. Just like this. This is all I do to it. This goes on the bottom. It's going to put it on the bottom of the pan. That's it. Then you're going to put this in the oven first. Get the bottom a little crisp. Because everybody like that crunch at the bottom and on the top, okay? This is what it should look like. And all you're going to do is let it boil for a few minutes. Y'all see this over here? It's getting there. And the last thing I add to this, y'all, is a little cream of potato soup. All you're going to do is mix this in, y'all. Ooh, y'all, it's coming together, ain't it? Okay, y'all, my pie crust is done. Well, not brown, but I wanted to get ahead of the top layer of pie crust. So that's why I put it in there first. So now all you're going to do is pour. So once you pour it, all of that in there, that's all you're going to do. Fill it. Because I used to just put them in here. I don't do that anymore. I take it. Should have cut this. I just break it off. Then I just start layering it on top. That's all you're going to do. Just layer it on top. Then we're going to put this in the oven. And we're going to let it bake. And watch how good it do. This is the easiest, when I say easiest meal ever, the easiest meal ever. That's it. So you see your filling. I didn't bring that crust up high enough, but it's still going to be good. Watch what it is. Okay, y'all. Now it's ready, and I'm finna eat me some. Watch this. All right, y'all. Now it's ready. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, y'all. Just a little bit more of that stuffing. Would that look good?